Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Hey, if you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, notification bell. My name is Larry Jones. This family is Stock Up, and I'm just going for a walk today. I'm usually doing my drive, but I'm walking this morning, all right? Excuse the glasses, but the sun is glaring. Hey, I just want to tell you guys, I know you're like me, and you are glad that you held. If you're glad that you held, go ahead and leave me a comment, okay? And so I am glad that I held because we know that in this time and in this market and uncertainty, there were a lot of people that sold off and they sold good stock for a loss. And, I always say one side does not fit all. One size does not fit all, okay? And so there were 3 days this past week where I heard Stock Mo said he was up $100,000. I mean, that is absolutely awesome. I had 3 days each day being up more than 20,000 a day, and I know some of you have made a lot of money. Some call it gains, I call it recovery. So, you know, it's just a testament to if you're in good, solid stock, good, solid companies, good, solid plays, to don't fret, don't fear, right? And so what I want you guys to do is to go through your each individual stock and see, are they at fair evaluations? Are they at fair evaluations? Look at your stock. Are they expensive? Do they have earnings coming? Are their earnings good? Or are you just paying for future earnings? Because if you're in good, solid plays and the company is not making money yet, and the PE ratio is expensive, or the stock is expensive, then those are the ones that actually cause the market to come down. So now I believe that we are in a market where most stock are in, at a fair valuation, and a lot of them are actually oversold. And so what I want you to do is to make sure that you're in good, solid plays, because these are the companies that are going to make you money, especially a lot of low cap stock. You're going to see a lot of low cap stock start to really pop when things bottom out. And are we at the bottom? I don't know. But are we close to the bottom? I believe so. And only time will tell. Now, we still have this geopolitical situation going on. We know that anything could happen, especially over the weekend. But what we're going to do is we are going to continue to make money. Now, I'm going to just cover this and say this, that yes, we could go into a recession next year, right? But most people think that the recession will be Q2 or Q3 of next year, right? And so what are we going to do until then? We're going to continue to trade, and we're going to continue to make money. I'm going to have Josh over Technical Tuesdays. We're going to argue over what's hot and what's not. We're going to give you guys some good plays, some in and out points where you can make money, day trading or swing trading. And we're just going to take small amounts of money, not big amounts of money. We're going to swing in like we did with Alibaba last week. I didn't do it, but he did. Swing in, grab it. When it runs up, sell it, right? And that's what we're going to do, and that's how we're going to make money. All right, good people. So I just want to make this a short one. Sundays, I usually do an inspirational one, family. So I need your help on something. So I have a good friend. His name is Tony McLean, and his sweet wife, they're closer to me than my brothers and sisters. They have to put their dog Hunter down tomorrow, Monday. And for those of you that are pet owners, that's like losing a family member. And it's really hard. This dog has been with them for 9 years, been with them through COVID, through death, been with them through everything. And this is the most calming and sweet dog I've ever met. My wife was tearing up hearing the news yesterday, and literally people would come by their house just to see the dog. I mean, this dog is just a great dog. Man, there's got to be a dog heaven somewhere, man. I don't know. I don't have all of the answers, but if you guys could say a prayer for June McLean and my brother Tony McLean, it'd be greatly appreciated. Okay, so put some praying hand emojis in the comments. But also, if you guys were glad that you held, leave me a comment. And if you're glad that you're up, leave me a comment. And hey, we're going to come back and we're going to continue to make plays. Sorry about these cars, good people. I'm walking in this area by the crib. So I will talk to you guys later. Live, love, laugh, and learn. Hey, if you haven't hit the like button, go ahead and hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and check out all of the other videos on this page. And if you want to join the family, come and join us. We love you guys. And always in parting, live, love, laugh, and learn.